All right, so today our phonics concept that we're going to be working on is making that sound ah and the different spellings that we can make that ah in different words. So as we usually represent our sounds, we're going to make those dashes because it's that short O sound. That's how we're going to represent it, ah. So different spellings for that ah sound. So the first one is O-U-G-H. That can make that ah sound, like in the word thought. We see that O-U-G-H right there in thought. We also have A-U-G-H. You can say ah, as in the word daughter. Okay, so O-U-G-H can make ah, A-U-G-H can make ah. Next, we have just an A. In certain words, the A makes that ah sound, like in the word ball. It doesn't say bow, it says ball. So there are times that that A can make a short O, the ah sound. Next one is A-U. Just that A-U. And that would be in the word fault. Okay. Then we have a W, as in yawn. We can hear that ah sound in there. And the last one that we're going to focus on is A-L, as in the as you hear within the word walk. Ah. Okay. So we have the different spellings that make that short O, ah sound. And of course, we already know that ah, that O can make that as well. We're looking at a different kind of spelling, so different ways that we can spell that beyond the O. So that's why I didn't put that O. We can find several areas where that short O says the sound. Okay, so I'm going to say the spelling. I want you to say the sound. O-U-G-H, you'd say ah. A-U-G-H, ah. Good. A, ah. A-U, ah. A-W, ah. A-L, ah. So now we're going to look at different examples. So for O-U-G-H, another example would be bought. Like I bought something at the store. For A-U-G-H, caught. Like I caught a fish. Got you that A-U-G-H in there. For A, tall. I'm also going to put another one that doesn't have that A-L-L in there, and that one is scald. So you can scald or burn yourself. Scald. Okay, so for that A-U down here, another example would be pause. For A-W, another example would be raw or uncooked. And one more example for AL would be stock. like a corn stalk. Okay, so these are all examples of different spellings that we can have that make that O, that short O sound of ah. We'll go through the spellings one more time. O-U-G-H says ah. A-U-G-H says ah. A can say ah. A-U can say ah. A-W can say ah. A-L can say ah. Okay, so I want, if you want to go back over this, if you have any confusion, feel free to, or let me know if you have any questions. Once again, we'll go back over this tomorrow as well and make sure that we feel really strong in it.